Namaste. Hope you guys are well. Today I'm out again. I'm going to a different place for a different route today, and I'm hoping to do about 30 kilometers in of distance today. So this is actually a couple hundred meters in. So it started just over there where the car park is, and I just came in this route down this way, climb up here, and look at the view there. That is the surrounding I'm gonna be running today. Hello all, so welcome back again. So giving you an update on where I am at the minute. So it's been quite a good run so far. I've completed I've completed 5k now, and I'm absolutely loving this route. The sun is out again. It's been a good day today so far. I think the weather's it's coming in later on today, but I'm not sure. I want to finish before the weather comes in. I've just gone past the Cranborne Village or a town, I don't know. I might have to look up, but I definitely think it's a village. Yeah, and then that is me at 10.9, so approx 11k, and I managed to get that done under an hour, so it's not that bad. So it's pretty much downhill all the way through up to the Cranborne Village, and I'm doing through the field now. Lovely people again. So giving you an update on my run so far. That's 15k completed now. Good, feeling good as well, feeling strong, and the weather is holding up nicely as well. So I'm actually making my way back now, as in this is sort of my turnaround area, so I'll be heading back to my start point, but still another 15k remaining to complete my run today. Just to give you an update on where I am at the minute. So that is 20 kilometers done now, and I'm heading back. Still got 10k left, but it's a slightly uphill. I can feel it going towards the start point. So 20k, 1 hour 47 minutes. Yeah, I still had to stop at times to navigate, but still I'd say a respectable time. All right, let me see if I can keep up with this. I want to get it done under 3 hours. That's right, wish me luck. To give you an update, I'll be heading up to that hill there. You can see me where my finger is pointing. That's my start point. So I'm literally heading back towards it. Just to give you an update then, so I came in through that gap there and all the way up. It doesn't look that much of a hill, but it's steady climb. It's a good climb though, however. Okay, and then I'm going towards that hilltop there. So giving an update now. That's me at 25 kilometers, and so I've done 2 hours 14 minutes, so which is, I think, not a bad pace. Yeah. It's warm, getting warm though. Definitely getting warm. All right, let's continue.